To disable Smart Shuffle on Spotify. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I will be teaching you how you could disable the Smart Shuffle on Spotify. In order to disable the Smart Shuffle on Spotify, at first you have to launch your very Spotify application on your device. You have to find the very Spotify application. After you find your very Spotify application, you have to tap on it. After tapping on the Spotify application, Spotify will be launched on your very device. After Spotify is launched on your device, you have to wait for a while until the next interface appears. Now you have to wait for a while until the next interface appears. You also need to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well, because sometimes due to the internet connection as well, the launching of the Spotify may be a little lagging or it may be a little faster as well. Now, after the Spotify gets launched on your very device, now you have to go to the very interface where a lot of musics are shown in the Spotify. For this, you could also tap, or otherwise you could directly go to the option of your music, and here you can just go to any of the music that you like in the Spotify, the artist as well. And after you tap on the artist or the music list here, in the person you can see the option of shuffle. You can tap on it for a while. Now, in order to disable the shuffle here, you have to go to the option of explore premium, and you have to enable the very premium option, and only you'll be able to do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.